Welcome. So in front of me I have the Quest 2, and today I'll show you how to reset the device through recovery mode. Now, the reason for that would be, well, we might have a couple of reasons. One of them would be maybe you want to sell it, or for instance, maybe you want to clean off all the data from it. Whatever the case may be, you can do it simply by going into the recovery mode the same way that you would do on an Android, with the difference that you do have to kind of look at the lenses to see it. So number one, we're going to need to turn it off. So let's hold the power key. Now I'm going to put it to my face so I can actually see it. Let's actually grab this. There we go. So now that it's turning off, let's give it a second and it should turn off. There we go. So once the headset is off, what you want to do is hold power key and volume up. So both of these keys at the same time. And this will take us to the recovery mode. So you can see that the screen lit up. And well, let's see. I'm gonna bring up my phone just so I can launch through a camera so you can see what's inside. So there we go. Now the camera is really working a little bit wonkily in there because the way this is made, but you can clearly see that there is a little bit of an Android with no command written on it. So to get past this, all you need to do really is hold power key. So hold power key and press volume up once, and you can see that it went further by the color on the screen. And I can just bring the camera back, drop it in there, and you can see there is the recovery mode. So from here, what you want to do is select wipe data factory reset, which is like right basically where the glare is. So you move it down. Actually, I'm gonna do it like this maybe. Okay, so there we go, it's selected. Oh, there we go, this is way better. Okay, so you can see inside, there we go, one lower, wipe data factory reset, it's right now selected. You can see it inside. And to confirm it, press power key. I can't really do that right now, so I'm gonna basically press power key. And then it changes to, oh, come on, gets the focus. So we basically have to scroll down and select it to confirm it. And there we go, so as you can see, cancel factory data reset. So select the factory data reset as it is right now, and then power key once more. And you should see it basically finish up the process. And at the bottom you can see in a white text, data wipe complete, and also reboot system now is selected by default, the first option. So let's press power key once more. And I'm actually uncertain how it's gonna look right now, but there we go. So we can see the Oculus logo, and it's just gonna be booting up. Now once this is finished, we'll be in the setup screen. Now unlike normally, which we'll be in the Android setup screen, and here we'll see the basically the Oculus setup. Okay, so it's basically finished. You can see it barely in there. So right now we could just set up the device or pack it if you want to sell it, for instance. So that is how you would hard reset this device, factory reset. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.